Good morning, all of you. Today we start the geometry first lesson. The basic concepts in geometry. Okay. Now basic concept in the geometry. Now geometry. What is the meaning of geometry? In a geometry there is a figures are there. Geometric figures are there. Now there is a number line is there. You know that number line is there, and this number line is denoted 1, 2, 3. Then -1, -2, -3. And this number line denoted the coordinate. There is a coordinate. There is a name is there. This one is a O. Every time 0 is O. A, B, C. B, E, F. Now if I tell you, now which now if I ask coordinate of point A is what is the point A is? What is the coordinate point of A? 1. What is the coordinate point of F? Obviously coordinate point of F is -3 and coordinate point of C is 3. Like that numbers alphabets are denoted the coordinate points. मतलब जो alphabets होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, coordinate points क्या करते हैं, denoted करते हैं. Now see here, there is the number line. Now 3 points are collinear. P, Q and R is there. Now these 3 points are collinear. What is a collinear means? Collinear means they are in a straight line. What is the meaning of collinear? Collinear means they are in a straight line. Now see, there is a 3 possibilities there. How much? 3 possibilities is there. 3 possibilities. Which one is there? First one, point Q is lie between P and R. मतलब जो पॉइंट Q है वो P और R के बीच में. तो हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? Obviously P dash Q dash R. Now the second one possibility is there. Point R is lie between P and Q. मतलब जो R है ना, ये R ये बीच में P और Q के, तो कैसा आएगा? P dash R dash Q. There is a third possibility is there. Point P is lie between Q and R. Q and R. Now Q dash P dash R. Like this. These are the 3 possibilities. Understand? What is the 3 possibility? Okay. Now see here. Now distance formula. What is the distance is there? Now PQ. Distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to what? Obviously PR. Distance PR. मतलब ये distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to PR. मतलब PR मतलब ही क्या? What is the meaning of PR? PR मतलब PQ plus QR. Understand? Understand all of you? Now see here, there is a, we start now, there is a first exercise 1.1. From this 1.1 you have to find the distance between the number lines. Now see exercise 1.1. First one, find the distance which tells the number line given below. अभी देखो ये number line उन्होंने दिया है. Pay attention here. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 there. Now -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 there. Now O, A, B, C, D, E. Now H, J, K, P, Q. Okay. Now distance you have to find out. Now first one is there. Coordinate B and E. Where is the coordinate B and E? This one is a B and this one is a E. अभी इन दोनों में से डिस्टेंस कितना है कैलकुलेट करना है. तो अभी इसके डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला कोऑर्डिनेट सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे? कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट B is 2 and coordinate of point E is 5. Okay, मतलब E is 5. Now tell me which one is a greater here? Obviously 5 is greater than 2. तो हम लोग डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला BE is equal to 5 minus 5 डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला हम लोग क्या करते हैं? माइनस करते हैं. 5 minus obviously 2. What is the distance is there? 2 is there. What is the distance is there? BE is 2. अभी second one you can see distance JA. अभी सबसे पहले coordinate point of J. Coordinate point of J is, where is J? -2. And coordinate point of A. Point of A is 1. Now which one is greater here? Obviously 1 is greater than -2. Then distance J and A is equal to 1. ये माइनस फॉर्मूला एज इट इज माइनस का फॉर्मूला -2 1 minus plus 2. What is the distance is there? 3. Understand how to calculate distance formula? Distance of from the number line. Now there is a third one is question. Now see, we take our own now. We are not follow the exercise. See here. Distance E H find out करना है. E and H. बताओ. Coordinate point of E is 5. Okay, and coordinate point of H is -1. Which one is greater here? Obviously 5 is greater than -1. Then distance EH is equal to 5. माइनस का साइन ऑब्वियसली माइनस और ये -1. माइनस माइनस प्लस. What is the distance is there? 6. Okay. Any problem is there from this? Okay. You can see properly there. Okay. Now there is a third one is completed. Now fourth one. One more example we take. Not from exercise, our own. Distance CR. Distance GP. Because G and P. Coordinate point of J. Coordinate point of J is -2. And coordinate point of P is -4. Which one is greater? Obviously -2 is greater than -4. So obviously distance JP is equal to -2 minus -4 -2 minus plus 4 plus minus तो 4 में से 2 गए 2. Understand all of you? Any problem is there? No. Now we start the second one question. Now see. Question number second. Question number 2. See, if the coordinate of A is x and of B is y, find distance A and B. Obviously, first x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. अभी सबसे पहले देखो कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट A is x, मतलब कोऑर्डिनेट of A is x. Obviously x is equal to 1. Coordinate of B is y. What is the B is there? 7. Now which one is the greater here? Tell me. Which one is the greater? Obviously 7 is greater than 1. That's why distance of A and B is equal to 7 minus 1. So what is the distance? 6. AB का distance कितना है? 6. One more time. There is a they give x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2. तो वही लिखने का coordinate point of A is x. तो x is equal to कितना? 6. Then coordinate point of B is y. तो y is equal to कितना लिखना है? 2. Which one is the greater here? Obviously 6 is the greater than 2. That's why distance of A and B is equal to 6 minus 2. Now why this minus is come? Because there is a distance formula is there. Okay? Now 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay? How to calculate? Any problem is there from this exercise? मतलब ये क्वेश्चन से कुछ प्रॉब्लम है नहीं? चलो अभी हम लोग और एक देखेंगे. देखो, pay attention here. X is -4, y is -5. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ A is x, बराबर? तो x का कितना है? -4. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ B is y. What is the B? -5. अभी इसमें से ग्रेटर नंबर ऑब्वियसली -4 is greater than -5. तो डिस्टेंस AB is equal to -4. फॉर्मूला का माइनस और बाद में -5. तो -4 माइनस प्लस 5. नाउ 5 प्लस माइनस तो 5 में से 4 गए 1 ग्रेटर नंबर साइन प्लस. अंडरस्टैंड ऑल ऑफ यू? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. नाउ वी स्टार्ट द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. The remaining work is homework for you, huh? Which one I not solve here? Only I just solve 3 questions here. Now your turn in there. You have to solve the whole question in your fair book, not in rough book. Okay? Now third question is there. From the information given below, find which of the point is between other two if the point are not collinear. मतलब find which of the point is between the other two if the points are not collinear. Now see here, first one, D is equal to D distance formula D, P and R is equal to 7. D distance P and Q is equal to 10. D distance Q and R is equal to 10. Okay? Now, first of all, what you have to do? one first of all. What? P and R. PR plus QR. Where is the QR? Okay. Distance PR plus distance QR is equal to what? PR 7 plus distance QR 3 is equal to 10. Okay. Now ये 10 हुआ तो PQ. What PQ is there? ये PQ. क्यों PQ? क्योंकि हमने क्या मिडिल टर्म लिया है? R मिडिल टर्म लिया है. तो PR और QR. ओके. If R in the middle term. अभी इधर लिख दो चलेगा. If R is mid point. R is a mid point. तो क्या आएगा? देखो डायग्राम ऐसे आएगा. ये R, ये P और ये Q. ओके. तो PR what is PR 7 और QR obviously 3. ओके. तो PQ कितना आएगा? PQ डिस्टेंस PQ is 10. अभी क्या करने का? वन मोर टाइम. दूसरा क्या करेंगे? हम लोग क्या करते हैं? PQ is 10 हुआ तो PQ 10 आया ना हमारा. देखो ना PQ is 10. That's why क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग इधर? डिस्टेंस PQ is equal to डिस्टेंस PR डिस्टेंस PR प्लस डिस्टेंस QR. तो बताओ डिस्टेंस PQ 10 है तो डिस्टेंस PR और PQ ऑब्वियसली 10. तो क्या आएगा? पॉइंट PR and QR कॉलिनियर पॉइंट. मतलब क्या करने का? कोई भी एक को मिड पॉइंट लेने का. अगर ये डिस्टेंस 10 है तो अगर 10 आया ये दोनों का एडिशन तो समझने का क्या है? वो मिड पॉइंट मतलब कॉलिनियर है. अंडरस्टैंड ऑल ऑफ यू? Understand? Any problem is there from this question? No? Now we start the next one. See here. Second one करेंगे हम लोग अभी. Now see here. Second one. Third one करते. Distance A dash B 16. Distance C dash A 9. Distance B dash C 7. अभी देखो सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? AB. A और B मतलब C is a midpoint. क्या लेंगे? C is lie between A and B. Point C. हाँ तो पॉइंट C is lie between A and B. तो A ये C और ये B. तो AC what is AC? AC is 9 and BC is 7. Okay. Now how to solve this? Distance AB is equal to distance AC A dash C plus distance C dash B is equal to. What is AC? 9. What is BC? 7. What is this? 17. 16. Obviously ये ABB क्या है? 16. That's why point ABC क्या है? ABC are collinear point. Understand? देखने का जो बड़ा है ना AB बड़ा है मतलब उससे AB को छोड़ के कौन सा नंबर बचा है? BC. तो C the point C is lying between AB. तो ऐसा लेने का और आपको एडिशन करके आपका आंसर आएगा. Understand all of you? The next we see in the next lecture. Okay all of you? Now how much I taught you? You have to write one time at home. Your homework is there. Thank you.